Hello children, welcome to today's English class. In our previous video, we had discussed about the question answer and we had completed question number 1 to question number 5. So in today's class, we will go to the next phase, that is question number 1, and the question goes like this. A recipe is a list of directions to prepare a dish. The following sentences are not in order for preparing a meal. Number them in the correct order. So children, in the chapter we studied that the cook prepared a wonderful dish from the scraps and the vegetable bits, and he named it as avil. Right? Before that, nobody had tasted or nobody had seen this type of new dish. Right? So we studied in the chapter that we studied about the process, how he prepared it, what are the different things he required to prepare it, what are the different things he added with it. So the things that we add with a food item while preparing a food item are called as ingredients. For example, suppose you are preparing simple a tea, a cup of tea, then we add sugar or tea or tea powder. Even we add milk also. So milk, sugar, and tea powder, they are called as the ingredients. So likewise, when we prepare any dish, we put something, we add something, right? We add so many things, and those things are called as ingredients, right? So here also the cook, he prepared a meal and he added so many things, right? And he cooked or he prepared the dish in a particular way. We can't prepare any food item haphazardly without knowing the process. So here the recipe or the steps of preparing the dish is given, but they are not in a proper order. So first of all, we have to understand the meaning of the sentences given here. Then we will arrange them in correct order. So first sentence, we will read the first sentence. Grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. Second one, cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. Wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Decorate with curry leaves. Whip some curd and mix it in. Pour some coconut oil on top. Evil is ready. So children, there are the sentences. These are the steps of preparing avial. So, but they are not in correct order. So we have to understand what the cook did first. First sentence is already marked here. So first he washed and cleaned the mix of vegetable bits, the small pieces, the leftover of the vegetables. Okay, he washed them and cleaned them, right? So this is the first statement, first sentence. Wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. So can you tell me the next sentence or next step? Yes. Next is cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. Okay. After he washed and cleaned the mix of vegetable bits, then he cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. Right? After cutting the vegetable scraps into long strips, then he ground some coconut, green chilies and garlic. So the third is grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. So this is the third one. Next, then he whipped some curd and mix it in. So this will be the fourth one. Whip some curd and mix it in. Correct? Next is pour some coconut oil on top. Correct? This one the fifth one. This one is the fifth sentence. So the next one is decorate with curry leaves. Decorate with curry leaves. And the last one is AVL is ready. AVL is ready. Okay. So this one is the first. This one is the second. Grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. This is the third. Then whip some curd and mix it in. This is fourth. Pour some coconut oil on top. This is fifth. Then decorate with curry leaves. This is sixth. And avial is ready. This one is the last sentence. So in this way, we can arrange the recipe of avial. Right, students? So while writing in your notebook, just you have to write the sentences the same way that is written in your textbook, and just you have to put the serial number in the given box. Correct? Next. Given in the box are some things that children do after they reach home from school. Choose 5 things that you do when you reach home from schools. Write them in order. Correct? So this is our daily routine that every day we come to school in the morning and we go back to our home in the afternoon or after the school hour. So after going back to school, children do different things, right? So many activities are being given in the box here. So you have to choose 5 things among these activities that you do, right? And you have to arrange them in chronological order according to time, right? So you can choose according to your own wish, according to the things that you do after you come back to your home from your school, right? So let's just discuss what are the things written here, what are the activities written here. Pack school bag. Pack school bags. School bag pack करता हूँ. Read a story book. Okay, if you read a story book, then you can choose this one. Sleep for a while. थोड़ी देर सो जाता हूँ. Do the homework. Okay, if you do the homework after coming to your home from your school, then you can choose these activities also. Go to play. खेलने जाता हूँ. Put away school bag. Put away school bag. दूर रख देता हूँ या रख देता हूँ school bag. Then the another activity, chat with mummy about school. After coming back, after returning from school, normally the children, they used to chat with their family member, their favorite person, with whom do they like to share everything. Okay, so chat with mummy about school. We talk with our mummy, we chat with our mother about the school. What did we learn today? What did we do today in our school? Everything in details we talk with our mother or father or anybody. So chat with mummy about school. Then wash off, मतलब मुंह हाथ धोना, right? Watch TV, TV देखना. Change out of school uniform. We change out okay, or school uniform, then have lunch. So near about 10 or 11 activities are given. Among these 11 activities, you have to choose only 5 and you have to write them in order. Okay, so after returning to home, the thing that you do first from those 5 activities, जो 5 एक्टिविटी आप इसमें से सिलेक्ट करोगे, उसमें से स्कूल से घर वापस आने के बाद आप सबसे पहले क्या करते हो उसको पहले लिखना है, उसके बाद क्या करते हो, उसके बाद क्या करते हो, तो सीरियली आपको वो 5 एक्टिविटी को अरेंज करना है। इन्हीं में से जो बॉक्स में जितने एक्टिविटीज़ दिया गया उसी में से 5 एक्टिविटी आपको सेलेक्ट करना है, चुनना है, और उसी 5 एक्टिविटीज़ को आपको प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में सबसे पहले जो करते हो टॉप में रहेगा, उसके बाद जो करते हो सेकंड में रहेगा, फिर उसके बाद आप क्या करते हो थर्ड में, उसी तरह 5 एक्टिविटीज़ को आपको प्रॉपरली अरेंज करके लिखना है। करेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स? सो फर्स्ट आई डैश, फर्स्ट आई फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट आई चेंज आउट ऑफ स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं अगर एक एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर कहूँगा कि सबसे पहले मैं घर पहुँच के मैं अपना यूनिफॉर्म चेंज करता हूँ, या आप लिख सकते हो फर्स्ट आई पुट अवे स्कूल बैग, जैसे स्कूल बैग में उतारता हूँ, राइट, देन आई डैश, नेक्स्ट आई डैश, आफ्टर दैट आई डैश, फाइनली आई डैश। सो योर आंसर may vary from person to person, so do that accordingly. So this much for today's class. The rest of the question answer we will discuss in our next class. Thank you.